In this video, we are going to have the solution of our fourth question of the question of the day series. Question is from machine learning. Topic is support vector machine. Consider the following dataset for training a linear support vector machine with the decision function fx is equal to sin wx plus b. The dataset consists of point xy, where x is the input, y is the class label. Class -1 is denoted by the hollow circle, and class 1 is the denoted by filled circle. The points are plotted on 1D axis, where x-axis represents the input x. The decision boundary for the linear SBM is the point where wx plus b is equal to 0. Determine the value of w and b that would be learned by the linear SBM for this dataset, assuming a hard margin SBM. Calculate the value of w into b. So if you look at this dataset, right, so where will be your decision boundary? So decision boundary will try to maximize the margin from these two support vectors. Support vector कौन से हैं? So support vector is this one, that is at 3.50 and at 4, right? और ये since hard margin है, तो the value of your decision boundary at this support vector will be +1, और यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा, wx plus b is equal to -1, and this is your decision boundary, that is wx plus b is equal to 0, right? x कितना है यहाँ, since it is exactly in between these 2 points, so this will be 3.75, right? ये कितना है, 3.5 है, ये 4 है, तो exactly in between कितना होगा, 3.75. x का वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दो, तो 3.75 into w plus b is equal to 0, right? So from here minus b divided by w is equal to 3.75, right? अब ये हार्ड मार्जिन है, तो ये जो आपका सपोर्ट वेक्टर्स है, दिस सपोर्ट वेक्टर शुड बी एट +1, तो ये कितना पे है, 4 पे है, तो x कितना हो गया, 4 हो गया, तो यानी कि 4 w plus b is equals to +1, and this support vector that is at 3 will be equal to -1. That means 3.5 w plus b is equals to -1. ये हो जाएगा प्लस, ये माइनस, that means कि 0.5 w is equals to 2, so w is equals to 4, right? तो अगर w 4 आ गया तो b कितना आ जाएगा, 3.75 minus 3.75 into 4, that will be 15, -15. So b into w कितना हो जाएगा, 4 into -15, that is -60. So the correct answer for this question is -60. अगर ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है तो डिफरेंट सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे हम लोग जो है क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे टिल एग्जामिनेशन तक डालेंगे, और उसका सॉल्यूशन आपको नेक्स्ट दिन वीडियोस के फॉर्म में मिल जाता है, जैसे इस क्वेश्चन का मिला आपको, राइट? और अगर आपको और भी क्वेश्चन इस तरह की प्रैक्टिस करने हैं, तो यू कैन ज्वाइन आवर गेट डी टेस्ट सीरीज. स्टिल आपके पास एक अच्छा अमाउंट बचा हुआ है, क्योंकि 15 Feb को एग्जाम है आपका, सो यू स्टिल हैव a good amount of time to practice question, so you can join this GATE DA test series, and there are almost 1400 plus questions in this test series with detailed solution. एक भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा जिसका आपको सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा. All right, that is all in this video. Thank you so much.